More information coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact, met and interacted with the injured victims and wished them a speedy recovery. We are also being told that he was also briefed by officials and doctors at the hospital about their condition. And viewers, those are the first set of pictures that we are getting for you of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's meeting with the blast victims. This is a Times Now exclusive. You can see the first picture of the Prime Minister in this ward in the hospital, and those are the victims of Delhi blast, and he's being briefed by the doctors and also officials at the hospital. This is a Times Now exclusive that we are bringing for you. Let's go across to Pragya. Pragya, we have the first picture of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's meeting with the blast victims.
Absolutely, and if you look at these pictures, Prime Minister is very intently, speaking with the victims, and in fact, the mood looks very pensive, and also he looked very perturbed, thinking about the fact that these victims had to go through so much and the pain and their, narration of the incident as well. What we are given to understand is that look at the, first look at the pictures, the kind of, love that he is showing towards the people of his country. In one of the pictures, he is putting his hand over the head of one of the injured, and in fact if you look at another picture, he is putting the hands on the shoulders, thereby saying that don't worry, we will avenge your injuries, and in fact we are with you, the government is with you, and we will look after you. This is the kind of sentiment that comes while looking at these pictures. But also sources have told us that straight away after landing from Bhutan, he reached LNJP hospital, met the victims, he interacted with the doctors as well, and the officials also briefed him about the nature of the injuries and also about the incident. Not just that, the pictures looks very very in a very caring light, I would say, that he is meeting all of them straight away from Bhutan to LNJP to ensure that these victims won't feel alone, they won't feel that they have been left alone in the hospital. He is there, and he personally ensured that he interact with them.
Well, absolutely, and the messaging is extremely important. A picture is worth 1,000 words, as they say, and we can see in these pictures the healing touch, Pragya, being offered to the victims of Delhi blast, and look at the kind of injuries that they all really sustained. They all really suffered, and all of them are getting treatment at LNJP hospital right now. In fact, from Bhutan also, the Prime Minister had said that the entire country stands with them in this hour of grief, because it wasn't their fault really that they are in the hospital today, but the entire country stands with them. And also an important message, Pragya, going by the Prime Minister, the topmost leadership in this country, that these people are extremely important. Straight from Bhutan, after arriving in Delhi, he goes to the hospital there to meet them, to listen to their concerns, and also to give them that healing touch.
Absolutely, and in fact I would say the action speaks louder than words also, and he is showing through his actions that he means what he said, and also he is genuinely concerned about each and every person of the country, and this is the the sentiment that he has showed while interacting with the injured. The personal touch, patting them on the shoulder, asking them about their about their health, putting his hand on someone's head. They would feel that one of the family members is speaking to them, and there is some elder sitting to take care of them as well. This is the the emotions that comes to mind when you look at these pictures, and this will also be shown as contrast to the previous governments also. When blast took place, not many, and in fact leaders had come to inquire about the injured. We all had covered those blasts as well. So this is in complete contrast with that, these pictures. And also, you rightly said, the message is loud and clear. His actions are also speaking about the words that he has spoken in Bhutan, that no one will be spared, and in fact justice will be done, and they will be brought to justice, each and everyone who is involved in that. And that would also mean the conspirators, co-conspirators, and all those who are providing any logistical support in that matter. And this is probably the reason why we are seeing action-packed, back-to-back meetings, and also the inputs that the intelligence agencies have gathered, the action-packed day at MHA as well ever since this Delhi blast took place.